Hello and welcome to Bell CB. We're looking at the Uniden Pro-520XL CB radio. This is for Craig in Colorado. I'd like to take a minute to tell you about the 520 and the 510XL, one of my favorite radios Uniden ever produced. I have customers that slip seat these things, throw them in duffel bags, jump on the plane, throw it in their luggage. I mean, they really put these radios through hell. I put them on a whole bunch of motorcycles. They really stand up well to my Maytag radio right there. So it looks small, but they sound good and they perform well for a long time. Alright, let's take a look at the tune-up on this one. Oh, and something new is there's a MOSFET final in these now, not the bipolar transistor anymore. So we see a little bit higher peak power. And a little bit less dead key. They used to do 5. Got a little over 4 there. On the peak reading meter, we got 50 watts slug. You're going to be looking at the middle scale there, right in between 20 and 30.
Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A couple of consonants will get it right up there, but audio, as far as a steady, around the 25 mark.
All right. Oh, and this radio for Craig, we put TalkBack into it. Let me turn it down, plug in an external speaker. You can listen to it on this speaker. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. All right. Breaker 19 for radio check. Ain't nobody gave me a radio check for 3 days. What the hell's going on out here? Y'all too busy? How's this radio sound, Fort Lauderdale? Come on. I think it sounds pretty good. I just want one of you guys to tell me and I'll leave you alone. Well, I just keep running my mouth and waiting for somebody to tell me how my radio sounds. I need a radio check.
How about it, 19? Can I get a radio check? I very much appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Anytime.